Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making garlic parmesan corn on the cob. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a bag of frozen corn on the cob. I have a bottle of Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic sauce, parsley flakes, garlic powder, ground black pepper. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1.5 sticks of butter. To a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add in my stick of butter. Then I'm going to begin to add in my corn on the cob. We're going to let that come back up to a boil. We're going to let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off your heat. You want to go ahead and remove your corn from the pot. Now you want to get a baking dish and you can begin to add your corn on the cob in. Okay guys, you can melt your half a stick of butter now. Now I'm going to do is just sprinkle a little bit garlic powder over top of our corn and just a little bit of ground black pepper. You can set your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to take our melted butter and we're just going to pour it over top of our corn. Then you want to take a large dollop of your Parmesan garlic sauce and put it on top. And all we're going to do is take a brush and brush it on it. After you're done, all you want to do is turn them over. And we're just going to go ahead and put some sauce on that side also. Now they're ready to go into your oven, 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay guys, our garlic parmesan corn on the cob is now out the oven. All you want to do is sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes over top. And we're just going to put a little bit of our shredded Parmesan over top also. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.